Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be discussing about factors of production. So it will mainly be referring to the manufacturing industry, and hence we'll be discussing about production process, which includes input and output. So before moving on, we should understand what actually factors of production mean. Factors of production are the resources that are the building blocks of the economy. They are what people use to produce goods and services. And these factors of production are land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. So we'll be discussing in detail all the four factors of production. So the first factor of production that we'll discuss is land. So land is any natural resource that is used to produce goods and services. And this does not only include land, it also includes the resources that are coming from land. So let me give you an example to make it more clear. So land may include water, oil resources, natural gas, forest. So these all are coming from land, and hence they come under the category of land or factors of production. So land resources are basically the raw materials that are used for the production process, and these resources can be renewable or non-renewable. I'll give you example. Renewable, for example, forest, and non-renewable, for example, natural gas, oil. So the reward earned by the owner of the land in return for its contribution to the production process is basically termed as rent. So the second factor of production that we'll discuss is labor. So labor can be any exertion of work which can be physical, mental, which is undertaken not for the sheer pleasure or fun, but to earn monetary rewards by creating utility for others. So the example of these can be any worker working in any construction site, or it can be any doctor treating his or her patients, it could be pilot, it could be teachers. So these all come under the category of labor. So if you are paid for a job, you are contributing labor resources to the production of goods and services. So the reward for this labor is usually termed as wages, which may include salary, bonus, rewards, incentives, etc. So the third factor of production that we will be discussing is termed as capital. Capital is any produced or man-made resource of production. For example, machinery, tools, computers, etc. The reward earned by the owner of the capital is termed as interest. So the last factor of production that we'll be discussing is termed as entrepreneur or entrepreneurship. So what is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is a person or a group of persons that brings together all the factors of production into a productive process. An entrepreneur can also be defined as an organizer, risk bearer, controller, innovator of an enterprise or a firm. So the reward earned by the entrepreneur is termed as profit. This was all about factors of production and the four categories that come under factors of production, which is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. I hope you understood this topic.